Stay in the loop, mastering English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, stay in the loop. Understanding this phrase is crucial for effective communication in both personal and professional contexts. So, let's decode its meaning together and explore how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, stay in the loop, means to keep oneself informed about what is happening in a particular situation or environment. It implies being kept up to date with the latest news, developments, or discussions that are relevant to a group, project, or topic of interest. While the exact origin of stay in the loop is not clear, it's widely believed to be derived from the concept of being inside a circle or loop where information is shared. Being inside this loop means you are privy to the information being circulated, whereas being outside the loop means you're uninformed. Using stay in the loop in sentences is quite straightforward. Here are some examples to help you understand its usage. In the workplace, please add me to the email chain so I can stay in the loop about the project updates. Among friends, let's create a group chat to stay in the loop about weekend plans. In academic settings, I'll follow the online forum to stay in the loop with the course discussions. Being informed and up to date offers numerous benefits. It allows you to make informed decisions, contribute meaningfully to conversations, and build stronger, more connected relationships with those around you. Moreover, in professional settings, it can lead to better job performance and opportunities for advancement. Understanding and using the phrase, stay in the loop, can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. It's a powerful expression that emphasizes the importance of being informed and connected. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay informed, stay in the loop, and see you in our next video.